In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and navigate your store with my .bigcartel.com. Whether you're an artist or a small business owner, this platform is a fantastic user-friendly option to showcase and sell your products online. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be well versed in logging in, accessing your dashboard, and customizing your shop URL for a more professional and unique presence on the web. First, let's dive into the world of Big Cartel, an online platform designed for artists and small businesses to create a free and easy online store. Start by navigating to the Big Cartel homepage. Once there, you'll find yourself at the gateway to a simple process that turns your creative works or products into an online business. Upon arriving at the homepage, the next step is to log in to your account. Look for the login button, which is your key to accessing the back end of your online store. This step is crucial for managing your products, customizing your store's appearance, and monitoring your sales. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your shop URL. This unique identifier directs you to your specific storefront's login page, ensuring that you're entering the secure area designated for your shop's management. Insert your shop URL carefully to avoid any mix-ups. Following the shop URL, you'll need to provide your password. This security measure protects your store's information from unauthorized access. Make sure your password is strong and secure, preferably a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your shop safe. Once successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of Big Cartel. The dashboard is the control center for your store, where you can get an overview of your sales, manage products, and view recent activity. It's designed to be intuitive, allowing you to easily navigate through different management features. Next, head over to the account section from your dashboard. This area contains important settings and preferences related to your account and store. Accessing the account section is a straightforward process that brings you closer to tailoring your Big Cartel experience. In the account section, you'll find the option to click on the shop URL. This area allows you to see your current URL and provides options for customization. Having a memorable and concise URL is vital for branding and making it easier for customers to find your store. For a more personalized touch, you can opt for a custom domain by clicking on the custom domain option. This feature lets you replace the standard Big Cartel domain with your unique domain name. Operating under your custom domain enhances your brand's professionalism and visibility online. Finally, to activate your custom domain, click on Add a Custom Domain. This action will prompt you to enter the domain name you've selected for your store. It's a crucial step to making your Big Cartel store truly your own, as a custom domain stands out and reinforces your brand identity in the vast online marketplace. Throughout this process, remember to save any changes you make, ensuring that your adjustments are updated and effective immediately. Customizing your shop's URL and opting for a custom domain are pivotal steps in distinguishing your store, attracting more visitors, and ultimately increasing sales. By following these steps, you're not just setting up a store, you're creating an online presence that speaks volumes about your brand. Big Cartel offers a platform that's accessible, easy to navigate, and perfect for artists and small business owners alike. The tools and features are designed with you in mind, enabling you to focus on what you do best, creating and selling, while it takes care of the technical side. Congratulations, you've taken a significant step towards establishing your online store with Big Cartel. Remember, every great accomplishment starts with a decision to try. Today, you've done just that, moving one step closer to turning your creative passion or business idea into a thriving online store. Armed with these insights, you're well equipped to customize, manage, and grow your Big Cartel store. Dive in, explore, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of bringing your products to a global audience.